Hello, my friend. Welcome to the session of Wellness, Wonder, and Learning. Today, I will tell you about blood pressure, high blood pressure, that is hypertension. It is very important to know your blood pressure level, that is hypertension, because it has been found that most of the people do not know about the high blood pressure and what is the level of their blood pressure until the blood pressure has caused some damage to their body organs, that is heart, kidney, brain, or any such things. So it is very important to know your blood pressure level. An estimated 1.2 billion adults worldwide have high blood pressure, hypertension, and less than half of those people know that they have it. High blood pressure is actually known as the silent killer because it doesn't cause symptoms until it is done significant damage to your heart, as I told earlier. In fact, my most of the friends do not know about their blood pressure level until their recent checkups. When they have got checked it up, they found that they have this type of the problems. Certain health conditions, diabetes and obesity, for example, can put people at a great risk of hypertension. But anyone can have high blood pressure for a slew of reasons. That is, high sodium intake, smoking, alcohol consumption, physical inactivity, and other factors. So, everyone should be mindful of their blood pressure levels because when left unmanaged, hypertension can lead to stroke, heart attack, kidney damage, memory problems, vision loss, or and much more you can say. But what is considered normal and what are the red flags? As alluded to earlier, I tune out when a doctor reads my blood pressure to me. However, I found this handy chart that explains how to understand blood pressure readings. That is systolic pressure. Top number indicates the pressure in your arteries when your heart beats and pumps out blood. Diastolic pressure, bottom number, is the reading of the pressure in your arteries between heartbeats. This and there is certain levels of this too. That is, healthy range of systolic is below 120 and diastolic is below 80. Elevated, that is 120 to 129, and diastolic below 80. High blood pressure stage 1, that is 130 to 139, and diastolic 80 to 89. And high blood pressure stage 2, that is 140 or higher, and diastolic 80 or higher. This is the condition. And another is hypertension crisis, that is above systolic above 180 and diastolic above 120. You should immediately consult your doctor because it is very dangerous. The most effective way to treat hypertension will depend on your measurement among other factors like existing health conditions. Doctors may prescribe certain medications, beta blockers, or diuretics to get your level under control. But for milder situation, a few lifestyle changes may be all that someone has to consider. That is, maintain a moderate weight. Weight, your weight should be under control. Aim to get at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise every week. 150 minutes every week. Moderate exercise, not heavy and not also very simple one. You should quit smoking if you smoke. Limit how much alcohol you drink. Eat less salt and refined sugar. Completely stop, I think. And you should take more fruits and vegetables. So add in your diet fruits and vegetables. Very important. Try to stress less. Of course, easier than done. These are all manageable, doable things that anyone could benefit from. It is Best to work with a healthcare professional who understands your life and can properly tailor a treatment plan. Now I talked mostly about hypertension. You should also be aware of hypertension or low blood pressure. Hypertension is low blood pressure. Hypertension can be caused by pregnancy, dehydration, thyroid disease, and more, which can potentially lead to troubling symptoms such as dizziness, fatigue, and fainting. Another similar to hypertension. Hypertension often doesn't present any signs, so it is wise to know whenever you get checked. That was a lot to soak in, right? It is all helpful information I found very enlightening and I hope you did too. So you should consider about it and you should also try to check it every month or whenever you find that it's checked. It is very sensitive. Know about it and take care of it. Thank you very much.